Let's talk about going for a walk. Walking is simple, free, and good for your body. Before you go, put on your shoes and get ready. You might bring a water bottle too. You can walk in many places. You can walk along a street, in a park, or on a river path. When you walk outside, you notice things around you. You see trees, flowers, birds, and other people. Some people like to walk alone. Others walk with a friend, a family member, or a dog. Dogs love going for a walk. They enjoy sniffing everything along the path. Many people walk in the morning. The streets are quiet, and the air is cool and fresh. Some people walk the same route every day. Others explore different streets. Walking is good for your body. It is also good for your mind and helps you feel calm. On a walk, you see your neighborhood in a different way. Small details become easier to notice. Riverside paths and park paths are popular walking spots. People walk there in every season. Some people listen to music while they walk. Others prefer silence and the sounds of nature. After a long walk, it is nice to sit down and rest. You might enjoy a drink or a snack. Walking is always a good idea. You can go in the morning, afternoon, or evening.